Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. So today, Feb 16, 2024, and a clear disclaimer: the registration granted by the SABI, the membership of BSL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investors. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So now, if we look at the Nifty 50 setup, that's really good. So if you look at the Nifty 50 setup, there was a clear rebound from the 50 DMA, as you can see the red line over here, and that was really a good one. From there, on the rebound, again yesterday there was a follow-up buying from there. And broadly, if you see, I think this level is very important: 22 124, 22 126. Twice in this level, Nifty was not able to move higher. The good part is like it has made a higher lows. So first there was a low of 21 137, and then yesterday it was around 21 530. Now the most important thing is to cross this level, and on the closing basis, अगर 22 150 के around closing basis पे हम लोग चाहते हैं, then that will be very positive. And we might see that, there might be a small breakout over here and the rally might continue. On the flip side, if we fail to, move above this level, if we move close to this level, not exactly, but it might resemble something like a triple bottom. अगर यहाँ से अगर आके 22 100 200 के पास फिर से आके ये फिर से नीचे गया, then I think the most important level will be the 50 DMA. Currently it's around 550 level. Broadly अगर 2 4 दिन के बाद वो ऊपर जाता देखते तो 600, तो 500 से 600 के बीच का level becomes very very important on the downside for the Nifty for the February series, and on the higher side 22 125 वाला लेवल very crucial है निफ्टी के लिए. Okay, so now if we move ahead, just a second. Okay, if you look at the key news, then DVL, that is in a joint venture with Vijay Kumar Mishra Construction, was declared as the L1 bidder for the tender floated by the Madhya Pradesh Water Resource Department. The project cost is around rupees 412 crore. So the stock will be in the focus. And Escorts has executed a long-term wage settlement agreement with its workers' union for almost 2 years. This is important. The crude oil price is up, and windfall tax on the crude petroleum was increased to rupees 3,300 per ton from rupees 3,200 per ton. In January, in aviation data, the air passenger traffic growth was quite decent, 4.7 YOY to 13.13 million. Indigo's market share declined to 60.2% versus 61.8% month on month. But the good part is that the market share is still about 60%, even after a lot of competition in the market. Uh, so that's quite decent, like 60% plus market share maintenance. If we look at the FIIs fund, then FIIs net selling yesterday was more than 3,000 crores, while around 2,300 crore was absorbed by the DII. Global market again robust. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq positive. Dow was up almost around 1%, S&P 0.6%, while Nasdaq 0.3%. Asian markets are trading really well, 0.9% and 0.8% respectively. So the things are quite positive as far as the global sentiments are concerned, as far as our technical setup, our charts are concerned. So it's positive on all the front. So it's expected to be a good day in the market. Even the opening is expected to be a good one. So around 22,092, the futures level are trading, and we might see some 50, 70 points gap up. So 22,000 के बहुत close open होंगे. That's what is expected looking at the global market, the SGX and the R setup. So if you look at the developed market, we track 24 developed indexes and 25 emerging indexes. So if you look there, then it's quite stable. And I think since last 2 weeks, the things are very stable. If you see, there's no major change over there. Right, from 13 again, this remains the confirm uptrend remains 13. Here also in emerging market also the confirm uptrend remains 15, which has increased from 60, sorry, from 13 on 2nd February. Five downtrends in the developed one and only one emerging market. So broadly, the global sentiments also quite positive, which might help the markets in India as well. Okay, if you look at the chart of the day, I think this stocks looks quite interesting. That's Federal Bank. So if you look at the setup, it's a good one. So yesterday momentum was really strong. If you look there, it reclaimed its 50 DMA on a higher volume and it gained almost 5%. And now it is just 2% to pivot. So it faced multiple resistances. There was a double bottom, or you can say that, sorry, double top or triple top type of formation over here. If you can see, let me annotate it for you guys. See over here, 159, then 159.30, then again close to 158.5. Okay, so it tried to cross this 163 times, but it failed all the three times, and then there was a sharp fall. Tested 200 DMA around 140 के पास आ गया था, and then it moved higher again, and now it is coming close to the pivot. Price strength is a bit poor, 32, but the good part is that it has now started moving higher. अगर आप 10-15 दिन पहले की और अभी की price strength RS rating compare करें तो that the current one is really strong. The fundamental it's good. The earnings momentum is intact. Even the sales growth is going good. The number of fund थोड़ा reduce हुए but the shares held by fund has increased. So no major problem over here also. EPS strength is good. The buyer demand is decent. Now let's see how it completes this 2% journey. And if it break out from here, then that will be really positive for the stock. And 0 to 5% will be the ideal buy zone for this one. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m. on Monday.